Come to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mondeo. It's the 2 litre TDCi. Excellent condition, it really is. It's got front park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels. It's got the slight body kit on it. It's got a tow bar, we can leave that on or take it off. Huge boot on this car, absolutely huge, with the parcel shelf in excellent condition. Rear park distance control. Quite hard to come by, these are nice ones now. And this is a really nice colour, really nice specification. Interior's in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, nowhere on the seat bolster or anything like that. Just started up, done 95,664 miles. It's got lane assist, it's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, sync, centre armrest, auxiliaries all there, satellite navigation as well, air conditioning, there's a storage space down there as well. Park distance control, Bluetooth connectivity, in-car apps, Bluetooth, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio. Really is in lovely condition. Good specification. Auto headlights. At DJH we provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. Require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.